Jai Hind to all of you. Please like and subscribe my channel. I would like to share about static GK dance. Dash dance performed by the Buddhist ward of evil spirits is a dance form of हिमाचल प्रदेश। बौद्धों द्वारा बुरी आत्माओं से बचने के लिए किया जाने वाला नृत्य हिमाचल प्रदेश के एक नृत्य रूप है। छाम छाम डांस छाम डांस परफॉर्म बाय बुद्धिस्ट। यह बुद्धिस्ट द्वारा परफॉर्म किया जाता है। टू वर्ड ऑफ हिल स्पिरिट इज अ डांस फॉर्म ऑफ हिमाचल प्रदेश और यह हिमाचल प्रदेश का है। द रिचुअल इज परफॉर्म फॉर द ग्रेटर गुड ऑफ ह्यूमैनिटी, डिस्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ हिट बैड स्पिरिट्स फॉर मोरल इंस्ट्रक्शन। टू व्हील्स थोड़ा आइस स्पोर्ट डांस बिलोंग टू विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेट। थोड़ा खेल नृत्य निम्नलिखित में से किस राज्य में पाया जाता है? हिमाचल प्रदेश में। थोड़ा स्पोर्ट इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ मार्शियल आर्ट बिलोंग टू द स्टेट ऑफ हिमाचल प्रदेश। थोड़ा द इम्प्रेसिव मार्शियल आर्ट फॉर्म ऑफ हिमाचल प्रदेश रिलाइज ऑन वंस आर्कली prowess dating back to the days of the Mahabharata, when bows and arrows were used in epic battles। महायुद्ध में between the Pandavas and the Kauravas, residing in the picturesque valleys of the Kullu and Manali। कुल्लू और मनाली की पिक्चर में दिखाया गया है। जो कि उसके बाद आपका है क्वेश्चन 3। Dash is a group folk dance of Sikkim performed in honor of Mount Kanchenjunga, the guardian deity of the Sikkimese people। सिक्किम का एक समूह लोकनृत्य है जिसे सिक्किमी लोगों के संरक्षक आराध्य माउंट कंचनजंगा के समान प्रस्तुत किया जाता है। छू फास्ट चू फाट Chufat is a group of folk dance of Sikkim performed in honor of Mount Kanchenjunga, the guardian deity of the Sikkimese people। This dance is performed with the carrying butter lamps and green bamboo leaves with the devotional songs। Dash is the traditional musical instrument of the Limbu community of Sikkim। सिक्किम के लिम्बू समुदाय का पारंपरिक संगीत यंत्र है। चाप ड्रंग चापडुंग आंसर होगा आपका। लिम्बू और सुब्बा इज अ ट्रेडिशनल फोक डांस ऑफ द सिक्किमीज। लिम्बू और चुब्बा सिक्किमीज का डांस है। इन दिस डांस द डांसर्स हैंग द चीप ड्रम, a musical instrument, around their neck। The drum is beaten with the palm on the side and with a stick on the other side। जो कि स्टिक और ड्रम के साथ में खेला जाता है। पुष मेला पूष मेला जो होता है आपका पौष मेला डिस्प्लेस लोकल आर्टिसंस डिस्प्लेइंग फोक डांस म्यूजिक फूड एंड कल्चर ऑफ। पौष मेला स्थानीय लोक नृत्य का प्रदर्शन करता है जो कि लोक नृत्य संगीत एवं एक खाद्य तथा संस्कृति का प्रदर्शन करते हैं। वेस्ट बंगाल में यह पाया जाता है। पुष्प मेला Via Hula Gidda is a popular folk dance performed during marriage in Indian state। विया हुला गिद्दा किस भारतीय राज्य में विवाह के दौरान किया जाने वाला लोकप्रिय नृत्य है? पंजाब। विया हुला गिद्दा इज a popular folk dance performed during marriage in Indian state of Punjab, also Pakistan। विया गुला गिद्दा danced in a circle, the girls form ring। इसमें लड़कियां सर्कल में डांस करते हैं और ऑफ देम यूजेज अ ढोलकी while sitting in the center. Which tribe of Pakistan performs a traditional dance form called Waziri dance? Pashtun. Pashtun dance. Pashtun tribe of Pakistan performs a traditional dance form called Waziri dance. Waziristan, a region of federally administered tribal areas of Pakistan, is a large area and has a particular Pashtun culture. अब चलते हैं दोस्तों नेक्स्ट टॉपिक पे। कांडियान डांस इज द कॉमन डांस ऑफ कंट्री। कांडियन नृत्य देश का समान नृत्य है श्रीलंका का। कांडियन डांस इज अ फोक डांस ऑफ श्रीलंका। Kandyan dance encompasses various dance forms popular and native to the area called Kandy of the Central Hills region, known as Udatta, but today it has been widespread to the other parts of the country. Bhavai is a traditional dance form of Gujarat. Bhavai is a center genre of folk dance popular in Rajasthan and Gujarat state in western India. The men from these communities offer the music to this dance using string and percussion instruments. Hawaii dance is often misinterpreted from Hawaii, which is folk theatre form of Gujarat. Which of the following art forms of Kerala is in UNESCO list of the intangible cultural heritage of humanity? Kutti Atam. Kutti Atam meanings combined acting in Malayalam, combined Sanskrit theatre performed with element of traditional Kuthu. It is the traditionally performed in temple theatres known as Kuthambalams. This art form of Kerala is in UNESCO list intangible cultural heritage of humanity. Ottam Thillal is a traditional dance form that is popular in the state of Tamil Nadu. Ottam Thillal is a dance and poetic performance from Kerala, India. It was introduced in the 18th century by Kanchan Nambiar, one of the Prachina Kavirayam. To which state does the traditional folk dance Gotipua belong? Odisha. Gotipua is a traditional dance form in the state of Odisha, India, and the precursor of Odissi classical dance. It has been performed in Odisha for centuries by young boys who dress as women to praise Jagannath and Krishna. Who among the following established an institution named Kailasram, Kala, Kalasram for imparting training in the dance and associated disciplines? निम्नलिखित में से किस नृत्य और संबंधित विषयों को प्रशिक्षण प्रदान करने के लिए कलाश्रम नामक एक संस्था की स्थापना की गई है? पंडित बिरजू महाराज। Maharaj established an institution named Kalashram for imparting training in the dance and associated disciplines. Kalashram focuses on imparting training especially in the field of Kathak. The famous dancer of Chemachuri Kohiraman Nair is associated with which of the following dance form? Kathakali. Chemachuri Kohiraman Nair is a veteran in the art of Kathakali. The government of India awarded him the fourth highest civilian honor of the Padma Shri in 2017. Jhijia dance originated in the Indian state of Bihar. Jhijia is a famous cultural dance of Bihar region. It is mostly danced during period of the Dashahara women dwellings in the lantern made up of a clay and a deer head and dance. Which of the following is a dance form from Karnataka? Bayalata. The Dollu Kanitha is a major form of folk dance performed in the Karnataka. The Dollu Kanitha is characterized by vigorous drum beats, quick movement, and synchronized group of formation. It is accompanied by singing. Which of the following is a dance form from Rajasthan? Jhulan. Jhulan is a folk dance form of Rajasthan. Kumni is a folk dance popular in Tamil Nadu and Kerala in India, danced mostly by Tamil women in Jharkhand. Dokko dance is a form of Andhra Pradesh. Maruni is a Nepali dance of Western and Eastern Nepal, Sikkim and Darjeeling. The dance form Dandiya is a synonymous with Navratri. Dandiya is synonymous with the Navratri. Dandiya is the social religious folk dance originating from Indian state of Gujarat and popularly performed in the festival of Navratri. The dance is performed in the Marwar region of Rajasthan. The Dash dance is performed by shepherds of Goa during the Navratri. Dangar, the dance is as known as Goa dance form was formed by a shepherd community known as Dangars. Dangars. It is considered a Navratri dance which involves a fusion of adoration, a vigorous session of worship and dance performed to praise worship leader Dev or Biruba for his blessing. The Dangar dance, also known as the traditional Marathi dress and which include a Kathiawadi style white dress and turban with colorful hair. Karma is a dance form from which of the following Jharkhand. Karma dance, which is also popularly known as Karma dancing, performed by the tribes of Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Odisha, and other regions of the country. This tribal dance is performed during the autumnal folk dance inform the carved tree and babies. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में तब तक के लिए जय हिंद टाटा गुड बाय।